Savar's toy review. Welcome to Savar's toy review. In today's vlog, I will play with it is Blokko light power building system. It's awesome. It glows in the dark. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below and give me a big thumbs up. And keep subscribing to my channel because I'm heading to 10,000 subscribers. And now let the fun begin. And now I'm gonna say one color and you're gonna repeat that color. Red, green, blue, white, orange. Done! That was awesome! And now let the fun begin. And it comes with instructions. It comes with these wheels. And you put it in. And now let's build it. I built this. See? Do you guys like it? See? I even can go. Hey guys, did you like my awesome video? Subscribe to my channel and give my videos a big thumbs up and share love. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. And keep subscribing to my channel because I'm heading